Praise be to God. Daily One Missionary Biography. Today's missionary, Johann Alfred Reinl. Date of birth, 27/11/1866. Date of death, 3/7/1941. Place, Östergötland. Country, Sweden. Place of vision, China. Johann Alfred was a Swedish Baptist missionary to China. He was born in 1866 and started to preach at the age of 19. Later, he attended Stockholm's Bethel Seminary, where he was inspired to become a missionary by the speech of the British missionary Hudson Taylor. Leaving the seminary, he served as a pastor in Fredrikstad, Norway, and married Hedvig, who also had a desire to become a missionary. But when they had received an unexpected invitation to go as missionaries to China, they wondered if they should leave their home about the future of their church and about what their parents would say. After much struggle and prayer, they reminded themselves of the desire once they had and surrendered to God. The couple arrived in China in 1894 and settled in Kiaozhen in Shandong province. With great difficulty, they learned the Chinese language. During their missionary work for over 45 years, they, along with fellow missionaries, established medical clinics, schools, and churches in and around Kiaozhen. Johann Alfred is also credited with establishing the first post office in Kiaozhen and aiding in disaster relief. While in China, the couple experienced many hard times, wartime, natural disasters, fleeing for their lives, losing their loved ones back in their homeland in their absence, sickness, etc. Above all, persecution of Christians was at its peak. Boxer rebellion, an anti-foreign and anti-Christian movement in China, resulted in the slaughter of countless missionaries and Chinese Christians. Despite the many struggles and dangers, they both served the Lord faithfully. After spending most of his life in China, Alfred was fondly called by his Chinese congregants as the old pastor. He also authored several books, including a book about the Boxer Rebellion and persecution of the Christians in China. After his death in 1941, the Chinese Christians erected a memorial stone to Johann Alfred. Beloved, are you ready to leave everything behind to go to the far-off lands where God is leading you? Lord, give me your grace to serve you faithfully, even in the midst of struggles and dangers. Amen. God bless you.